Hi, in this lecture we talk about front-end versus back-end. In today's lecture we talk what is front-end, what is back-end, difference between front-end and back-end, what languages are used in front-end and what languages are used in back-end. So first we know about what is front-end. In simple words, front-end means that user can see, means user interact with front-end, for example, buttons, navigations, sliders, images, animations. These are all front-end examples. Back-end. Back-end means that user cannot see. That is called back-end. In simple words, backend is the process behind the logic. For example, if you click on a button that works behind the process is called backend. Now we know about difference between front end and backend. Front end is the visual elements that user can see, that user can interact with. For example, your website's layouts, all visual elements are front end. This is also called client side. Backend. Backend means that user cannot see. All the process behind the front end are called backend. It is also called server side. Now we talk about what languages are used in front end and back end. In front end, we used HTML, hypertext markup language for structure of elements, and we used CSS, cascading style sheet, that is used for unique design. And third one, we used JavaScript, that is the client side language. That is the best language for user interaction. These are the three basic languages we used. In CSS, we further used Bootstrap, that is a framework of CSS. We talk about further in the later lectures, but now we know about backend languages. Backend languages are used PHP, Python, Java, SQL, and many more languages that are used in backend. In our this course, we used PHP. So hope this concept will understand you. If you like this video, please like it. And if you not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icons. Thank you for watching.